Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the two-factor authentication in the BitVavo application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see your profile. Press on it. And if you scroll down a little bit in this page, you will see here the app settings category, and there you should select the first option, which is security settings. And here in this page you will find the account security section, and there you should just press on two-factor authentication. Now here you can just press on enable two-factor authentication down below, and you have to verify your phone number first. Just press verify phone number, and here you can just select the country that you are residing, enter your phone number and enter your password. Once that is done, you can just press continue down below, and they will send you basically a code via SMS, and after that you will be able to enable the two-factor authentication. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.